Let's look at the chain rule combined with the quotient rule. So I would rewrite this. I would rewrite this as z minus 1 over z plus 1 to the 1/2 power instead of the square root. So our chain rule combined with our product rule for this one is going to look like take the derivative of your outer function. So we bring down our power. We rewrite, so z minus 1 over z plus 1. And then we bring down our power, we subtract 1, so minus 1/2. But this is a function we need to do the chain rule on. So we have the bottom, z plus 1, times the derivative of the top. The derivative of z minus 1 is just 1. Minus the top, which is z minus 1, times the derivative of the bottom. The derivative of z plus 1 is just 1. Bottom derivative of top minus top derivative of bottom, all over the bottom squared. You could try to simplify it if you want. The numerator wouldn't be too bad to simplify. I am going to leave it right there. Let's try the next one. So if we want to find g prime of y, we have our chain rule and our product rule. So our chain rule says bring down your power. So this would be a normal way of taking the derivative, subtract 1. And then because we're left with a function on the inside, the chain rule says you need to take the derivative of that. So that's where we get stuck with the quotient rule. So the quotient rule says the bottom times the derivative of the top minus, and then we need the top times the derivative of the bottom, all over the denominator squared. Again, you could try to simplify it if you want. I'm going to leave it right there. So these are a few examples of our quotient rule and chain rule combined.